Over 50 and think it's too late to secure your financial future? Think again. In this video, I'll share 12 powerful steps to build wealth, eliminate debt, and enjoy your golden years without stress. Whether you're starting from scratch or refining your retirement plan, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. Stop worrying and take action. The first step in your financial journey is shifting from a state of worry to one of proactive action. Worrying about not having savings can lead to paralysis, where you're so focused on the problem that you can't move forward. But it's never too late to start, even at 50 or beyond. Action is the only antidote to worry. Taking even small steps helps you feel more in control, reducing anxiety and building momentum toward your financial goals. Begin by assessing your financial status, listing your income, expenses, debts, and assets. Set realistic goals, whether it's saving a specific amount each month, paying off debt, or cutting unnecessary expenses, and break these goals into actionable steps to follow through. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so start now. You're not alone. Understanding that you're not alone in this journey is crucial for maintaining motivation and perspective, as many people around the world are in the same situation, lacking savings and often unaware of the financial risks they face. Knowing this can be both reassuring and motivating, reminding you that you're part of a larger community working to improve their financial health. Recognizing that financial struggles are common and solutions are available reduces feelings of isolation and hopelessness, making it easier to take positive action. To stay motivated, seek out resources and support from communities that share financial advice and experiences, engage in online forums, attend workshops, or join social media groups focused on personal finance. Learning from others who have successfully navigated similar challenges can provide valuable insights and keep you on track toward your goals. Positive mindset. Your mindset is one of the most powerful tools in achieving financial success, and shifting from a negative to a positive mindset is crucial. A negative mindset focuses on limitations, failures, and what you lack, which can hinder progress, while a positive and frugal mentality centers on possibilities, solutions, and the resources at your disposal. A positive mindset opens up opportunities and encourages disciplined saving and spending, helping you approach financial challenges with confidence and resilience. Believing that change is possible makes it more likely that you'll take the necessary steps to achieve it, whereas a negative mindset can trap you in a cycle of despair, preventing you from seeing opportunities for improvement. To cultivate a positive mindset, practice gratitude, focus on your financial goals, and reflect daily on what you have rather than what you lack. Surround yourself with positive influences through success stories, motivational talks, or supportive friends and family. Shift your internal dialogue from "I can't afford that" to "How can I afford that?" A subtle change that can significantly impact your approach to financial decisions. Control spending. Controlling your spending is essential for building financial security, as it involves prioritizing savings over unnecessary expenses. Without managing your spending, saving becomes difficult no matter how much you earn. A lack of control over spending can lead to living paycheck to paycheck and accumulating debt. To gain control, start by creating a monthly budget that tracks your income and expenses, categorizing them into essentials and non-essentials. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate those savings toward your financial goals. Regularly review and adjust your budget to stay on track and ensure your money is working for you, not slipping away. Debt management. Managing and paying off high-interest debts like credit cards is crucial for freeing up money for savings and investments. High-interest debt can grow quickly and consume a significant portion of your income, making it harder to save and achieve financial stability. To tackle this, create a debt repayment plan that prioritizes paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. Avoid taking on new debts by living within your means and using credit responsibly. Reducing your debt load as quickly as possible will free up resources that can be redirected towards saving and investing for your future. Maximize retirement contributions. Maximizing contributions to retirement plans, such as a 401(k) or Roth IRA, is vital for securing your financial future. Contributing the maximum amount allows you to take full advantage of tax benefits and employer contributions, which can significantly boost your retirement savings over time. To do this, research your retirement plan options and ensure you're contributing enough to receive any available employer match. If possible, contribute the maximum allowed each year to benefit from compounding interest. Starting early and contributing regularly will help you build a substantial nest egg for retirement. Involving your family in financial decisions, especially when it comes to reducing unnecessary expenses, ensures that everyone is working toward the same goals. Family members play a significant role in household finances, and without their support, sticking to a budget and saving effectively can be challenging. To foster a sense of shared responsibility, have open and honest conversations about your financial situation and goals. Set collective goals and involve everyone in the budgeting process. By making financial planning a team effort, you create a supportive environment that helps everyone stay motivated and focused. An emergency fund is a financial safety net that allows you to cover unexpected expenses without dipping into your retirement savings or going into debt. Life is unpredictable, and without an emergency fund you might be forced to rely on credit cards or loans during a crisis, which can have long-term negative consequences. To protect your financial future, aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Start small and build your fund gradually by setting aside a portion of your income each month. Having an emergency fund in place provides peace of mind and ensures that unforeseen events don't derail your financial goals. Sometimes saving alone isn't enough to reach your financial goals. You may need to find additional income sources. Extra income can significantly boost your savings and investment potential, helping you achieve financial security faster and providing a cushion against unexpected expenses. To generate additional income, consider taking on part-time work, freelancing, or selling items you no longer need. You might also explore side hustles that align with your skills and interests. The key is to find opportunities that are manageable and don't add undue stress, allowing you to focus on your financial goals without burning out. Invest wisely. Investing is essential for growing your wealth and achieving financial independence, as simply saving money isn't enough to combat inflation. By investing in appreciating assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate, you can ensure your money grows over time, taking advantage of compound interest. Investing allows your money to work for you, increasing its value and helping you build long-term wealth. To invest wisely, educate yourself on different investment options and consider your risk tolerance and financial goals. Start small with low-cost index funds or ETFs and consult a financial advisor if needed. Remember, investing is a long-term strategy. Be patient, stay informed, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Value your money. Valuing your money means being mindful of how you spend, especially on big-ticket items like cars and homes. Prioritizing value and functionality over luxury helps prevent financial strain and promotes long-term financial health. Large purchases can have a lasting impact on your finances, and making wise choices ensures you're not burdened by unnecessary debt. Before making significant purchases, evaluate your needs versus wants, and consider whether the item will add real value to your life. Opt for reliable, cost-effective options that align with your financial goals, and always prioritize long-term financial security over short-term satisfaction. Work longer if needed. Consider delaying retirement and continuing to work as long as you can, as this allows you to save more and reduces the number of years you'll need to rely on your retirement savings. Working longer not only boosts your retirement savings, but also means fewer years of living off those savings, reducing the risk of outliving your money. Additionally, continuing to work can keep you mentally and physically active, which can positively impact your overall well-being. Evaluate your financial situation to determine if working longer makes sense for you, and consider transitioning to part-time or less demanding roles if necessary. Each additional year of work can make a significant difference in your financial security during retirement. And there you have it. 12 actionable steps to secure your financial future after 50. Remember, it's never too late to start, and every step you take now will bring you closer to the financial freedom you deserve. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to make the most of your money at any age. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take control of your financial future one step at a time.